Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the sounds and vibration option, and once you find it, tap on it. Here, look for the option called vibration, and once you find it, tap on it, of course. And right here we have 3 levels of vibration intensity. We have off. If you select this option, the vibration will be turned off. Then we have soft and strong. You can't really hear it, but the watch is vibrating. I'm gonna try to push it. So basically soft is like a short one and strong is the longer one. Select the one you like and tap on OK. And once you're done, press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change this vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.